Good morning, YouTube. My name is Vince, and welcome back to my snowy channel, Fern Valley Farmer. On this channel, we are pure country and snow. It's only the beginning of November. This happened actually yesterday. Ugh. I hope this isn't a sign of what's to come. I don't mind the snow. It's the 30 degrees. Or I don't mind snow and 30. It's the sub-zero that I do not like at all. When you got animals, you really got to... It just makes life just so much. It makes the work. It just doubles the work. It just makes everything just double. And I'm gonna do some videos too with the horses and stuff with this weather. But anyway, this is a really quick video for beginners. This is more of a beginner. This is part of the beginner beekeeping videos. It's just cold out. Don't open your hives. Right now it's about 20, 22 degrees. It's not too bad. The wind's not blowing. The sun was out. Now it's gone. You know, middle of winter time, you want to check your bees. You know, you get excited. You want to see how they're doing. Don't open them up. Don't let all that heat escape. You can insulate your hives for the winter. Put some insulation around. Here again, it depends where you live. Up here, like I said, I'm about 70 miles west of Chicago. Give you an idea where we're at, up in northern Illinois. If you get a nice 50-degree day and the bees are out, you can kind of pop it open and look. It's a little bit cooler than that. You can. I wouldn't leave it open very long. But as much as you want to see your bees in the middle of winter, you miss them, don't open it. If it's cold, don't open it. You let all that heat out. Then they're gonna have to eat more, and it's just gonna use up so much more resources and energy for them to get themselves back warm again. Just don't open it up. You could do like I do. I got these upper entry. I got these ventilation holes, and if you put ventilation holes in your hive, I've got a little piece of plastic. It's a shop vac elbow, you know, for like a shop vac. It fits in there perfect. You can put your ear to it and you can listen. Some people use a stethoscope. Put that up against the hive. You can listen that way too. But the whole point of this video is don't open them. If it's cold out, don't open them. Just wait till it's warm out. Like I said, find other ways where you can listen and see how they're doing. If you get a nice sunny day, you'll see them come out doing their cleansing flight. Their cleansing flights. As long as you got plenty of feed in there, you're good. But here again, depending on where you live, right around up here, about sometime in December, I'm going to put dry sugar in there just for some extra insurance because January gets pretty bad. You can't really ever get into them, and I don't want to open them all the way up to do that, so I'm going to do it a little bit sooner. It's not going to hurt. If they need it, they'll take it. If they don't want it, they won't take it. It's that simple. So anyways, this is just a video on as much as you want to see your bees, don't open them. Leave them closed. You can see they're all covered up. I've got the entrance. Make sure your entrances are open so the bees can get out. You can see well, you can't see on those, but you can see the front of these hives. The entrances are open. The bees they can get out if they need to. I got to finish doing the rest of them. There's upper entrances if they want to get out because it's really important when you get a nice warm day. The bees will not go to the bathroom in their hive. They wait till the weather is nice and they'll come out. It's called a cleansing flight. And when you have all this snow on the ground, I'll do a video of that when the time comes. It's kind of interesting to come out here and see little brown dots all over the place after the bees have been flying. That's them doing their cleansing flight. And if it's warm enough, they'll come out and they'll go to my pollen feeders right there. Yep, right there. You'll go to my pollen feeders. There's dry pollen substitute in these, and they'll take the dry pollen, bring it back to the hive. So the whole point of this story is don't open your hive. As much as you want to see your bees, don't open them. Leave it closed. They'll be okay. Just don't let all that heat out. Like I say, you let all that heat out, then the bees got to spend all that energy, keep them warm, eat more. They'll just eat more. They just have to use more of their resources up to try and keep warm. So just wait, be patient. We all want to do it. We all want to open them up and check on them. If you get a 50-degree day or so, then go ahead and pop it open. So anyways, that's it. Just a quick little video on, with winter coming in your bees. I got a bunch of videos coming out here on winterization, getting your bees ready for winter. Hopefully by this point, if you're watching this video and you've got this around your hives, your bees have been fed already and you're ready to go. But like I said, more of a beginner thing. Don't open your hives. If it's cold out, don't open them. Just wait till it's warm out and then then you can peek in and see what they're doing. Maybe lift the lid, lift the inner cover. Look inside, see what they're doing. This kind of caught us off guard here. This usually doesn't happen. Yesterday was Halloween. This is the second biggest snow on Halloween like ever in this area anyways, up here. So for this area, I'm not saying towards Chicago, but over here. So anyway, don't open your bees. Don't open them up, let all that heat out. Let them stay nice and warm and toasty. If you've done like we've all done, if you've treated for mites, You've got them fed good. Knock on wood, they make it through the winter no problem. So anyways, that's it. Hopefully you like this video. It's kind of a quick one. Any questions, comments, please leave them. Consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that little button right there. I'd really, really appreciate it. Stay tuned. There's a few videos coming out pretty quick here on the winterization stuff. So YouTube, I will talk to you guys soon. All right, bye.